The Vivo Nex 5 may be coming in second half of 2021 with an under-display camera and quad curved display. The Vivo Nex 5 is touted as an Android flagship with all the 2021 bells and whistles going. Hey, what's up? It's Anwar for TechNewLeaks. Today I'm going to talk about the leaked renders of the Vivo Nex 5. Under display selfie camera, new 50 megapixel Samsung main camera, up to 120 watt charging. The upcoming next generation Vivo Nex is now slated to have it all. On the other hand, this phone might rock a constantly polarizing quad curved display. It's also now set to launch in the next half of 2021. Last year, Vivo demonstrated the Apex 2020 concept phone, which had an under-display selfie camera and a waterfall display. A month later, it unveiled the Vivo Nex 3S 5G, which did inherit the waterfall display but not the camera. It had a pop-up camera instead, but that was a year ago, and now fans on Vivo are getting antsy and are wondering where is the new Nex. Vivo's Nex brand debuted in 2018 to offer Android phones with the highest ends of specs and design. However, it has not seen a new release since the 3S 5G. Now there are rumors that this line is back with the new 5 flagship. A couple of leaksters claim that the Vivo Nex 5 is on the way, but it only be unveiled in the second half of the year. They offer a few details about the device as well. This generation is now rumored to drop the series' usual pop-up selfie camera with an under-display module for the first time. It will have an under-display selfie camera. This possibly 6.7-inch display might be bezel-less as well as edge-to-edge, as it is now projected to be of the ever-contentious waterfall type. Though that may be the case only for the premium version of the phone, with the vanilla version could have a punch-hole camera instead. Anyway, the 6.78-inch display will have a quad curved design and the camera will have a 32 megapixel sensor. On the rear, the Nex 5 is expected to feature Samsung's huge GN2 1.12-inch sensor that has just debuted in the top-end Mi 11 Ultra from Xiaomi. The ultra-wide camera is said to have another 50 megapixel sensor. One of the leaksters claims that Zeiss will be involved with the optics. Furthermore, it might also get the Zeiss treatment thanks to its OEM's new partnership with this camera brand, and that the phone will have an IP68 dust and water resistance rating. Nevertheless, this Nex 5 is sounding more and more like the Apex 2020 concept come to life by the leak. Then again, it's also likely to be one with ports, as its new leaks also point to a 4500 mAh battery capable of 120 watt wired charging like that of the also premium iQOO 7 and 60 watt wireless charging. However, another new tip disputes this and alleges wired and wireless speeds of 66 watt and 40 watt respectively. Therefore, either one of these sources is wrong or just might be preferencing a pro variant of this Nex 5. Of course, the Vivo Nex 5, assuming it exists, is about 6 months away from release, so it could easily still be in the prototype stage. And of course, all of this information could be inaccurate in the first place. However, it seems that all new Vivo flagship related rumors may have to wait until June 2021 at the very earliest for their information or not. What do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Vivo Nex 5? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.